from Slipstick, our new Gorillaglides are designed for small appliances or any object that you want to be able to move easily. They come in two sizes, 3/4 inch 19mm and 1 inch 25mm. These Gorillaglides offer easy attachment with heavy duty peel and stick adhesive on one side and a super slick sliding material on the other. This ultra low friction material is bonded and extremely long lasting and makes appliances slide quietly and easily. Do you find it difficult to reach and slide out your coffee machine or mixer? Gorillaglide's installation is easy. Simply clean the surface and stick on. Even heavy mixers slide with ease. Our Gorillaglides have lots of uses. Any appliance that is hard to move can be made easy. Pizza makers, sandwich press, air fryers, rice cookers, just to name a few. They work on any hard surfaces, wood, laminate, stone and tile. All Slipstick Gorillaglides carry a 5-year warranty. Find more Gorilla surface protection solutions right here on this website.